Today, you are going to get the best advice you have ever received for your Amazon FBA online arbitrage business. And this is something that I wish I was told, or I wish I understood a couple of years ago, because it would have made my life way easier. And you can summarize this specific advice in just one sentence, okay? It's you just need to be ready at all time. And we are going to go deeper into that, and I'm going to tell you what I mean with that, right? But before we start, if you do not know me, my name is Mangunza. I release daily videos right there on YouTube every single day to teach you how to become a 7-figure Amazon seller. You have everything that you need in these videos for free. If you want to accelerate your growth or for coaching, there's a link in the description. You can learn a little bit more about that. All right. So, as I said, the biggest thing, and the reason why a lot of people give up and a lot of people are actually not profitable is because they do not stay ready. And whenever a big opportunity hits, they are not able to capitalize out of it, right? And so this is pretty much the reason why, if you've been following me for a little while, this is the reason why I have my team building my target list every single day. If you do not know what it is, my target list is this spreadsheet, okay? So it's a spreadsheet that has every single deal that is currently going on online, okay? So I have everything right there, every single deal going on online is put on this spreadsheet every single day by my team, and I receive it daily, and you can receive it daily as well, okay? There's a link in the description. It's called Hire My VAs for $1 a day. They're going to send you this list every single day. Every single day at 11 a.m. you're going to receive this list, 11 a.m. EST, okay? So why is it important? The reason why it is important is because we are checking, and not necessarily all the links that are there, but every single thing that is on tactical arbitrage, we are checking it. Every single thing that is on tactical expander, we are checking it. And all the other websites, we are either looking at them manually or we are not yet. But my goal, my big goal with this is by the end of the year to make sure that every single sale that is on this list, okay, that is on this list, and we are adding websites every single day almost. Whenever we are discovering new websites, we add them up there. Okay, we add them, we start tracking them for sales, for coupons, and all that stuff. And so my goal is that I really want to try by the end of, maybe not this coming year, but the following year. By the end of the following year, I want to be able to cover everything and to have an eye everywhere. The reason why is because, and it was actually the case with a website, and I'm tracking yesterday I was able to spend, I think we spent just on one website, one of the sales that was there yesterday, we spent, I want to say like probably $2,500, okay, on just one of those sales. And it's not a website where you are actually able to spend that much money every single day. It's definitely not a website where you really could, but not as easily as we were able to do it yesterday. This is what I'm saying, because it's a website that we actually scanned with tactical arbitrage, right? And the reason why I'm telling you all this is because it's a website that a lot of people are scanning, but they're not scanning it every single day, or they're not checking it every single day, because a lot of the time, and this is the main thing, it's not going to hit every single day. So the reason why I was telling you that you need to stay ready is because, like, you need to see it as, like, let's just see it as baseball, okay? So you need to be ready. You're not going to run to hit a home run every single time you bat, but you should still try to bat, right? And so what the way I see it is, if I actually, because this is a website, all these websites, we scan them every day. It does not matter what happens, we scan them every day, and I built my team. I've been building my team, so every single website that is on tactical arbitrage that we scan, we are going to review the sale. And actually, yesterday, I had to go through the sale myself, because for whatever reason, my team was not able to take care of it. And thank God, like the reason why I set it up this way, and I made it a priority, and I just used it. I made it a priority. I made it my priority pretty much to make sure that all the websites, all the sales that are on websites that are on tactical arbitrage are going to be checked by my team and me every single day. And so I could have just gave up yesterday, because my team, there was something wrong with my team. nobody was going to check the tactical arbitrage searches yesterday because a lot of things happened. Not a lot of things happened, but pretty much we had a lot of other things to do. And so I made it my priority to make sure that we actually check the search, and I did, and thank God, because if we actually skipped it, this is a website actually that did not really hit that does not really hit usually with tactical arbitrage. It's really hit or miss. Like once every 3 weeks, maybe there's going to be a few products that are going to be profitable that you can actually buy when there's a sale on that website. But most of the time, profitable products do not really get pulled by tactical arbitrage on that website. Yesterday, for whatever reason, there was a ton of profitable products, and I was not even able to buy them all. I think we spent like 2,500, and I was super tired yesterday, so I took a nap in the middle of the day. I worked in the morning, placed like half of what I did, and then took a nap, placed a few more orders, and brought a lot of products out of stock, right? So, and I'm just thinking about that website because there was other websites that had profitable products, but just this website. And the reason why I've been telling you that you need to stay ready, as I said, is because, you know, I could have discarded this website because, you know, this website that I've sourced over and over again, and I know, like there's a big chance that it's not going to be profitable, but we are still like that. There's not going to be anything on that website today, but I still did. I still checked, and there was a ton of stuff that were profitable, right? So if I was not ready, if I had not set this as one of my priority that it needs to be done every single day, I would have missed big time on this home run, because like I'm telling you, the average return on investment on those products is above 50% return on arbitrage, and with being easily able to spend money, right? It's above 50%. It's more towards like 60-70% on all the products that I bought. And I could have missed on that. You know, I could have missed on that 100%. And I know that I'm going to be the only guy on a lot of those listings because I bought the whole stock, okay, for all of those. It was products that were on clearance, bought a lot of them, bought the remaining stock. And so there's not going to be a lot of competition on those listings. Of course, there's going to be a few listings that could tank, but like, I know pretty much none of them are going to tank. And so the only reason why I was able to do this, as I said, is because I stayed ready. And so if I actually gave up, if I was not actually looking at all those websites every single day, all the ones that aren't tactical arbitrage, because I'm not yet at a point, and this is my goal, as I said, I'm not yet at the point where we actually check every single website that is on this list. I still need to keep building my team to be able to reach that point, right? But right now, we're not able to do it yet. But soon enough, we will be able to go through all these websites and to build game plan for all these websites. And if you've been following me for a little while, you know that it's the way I run my business. You know, I like to systemize stuff like this to make sure that we have as big of a coverage as we can. All right. So this is like, you can get the target list. You can get the target list right here with the link in the description for a little bit over $1 a day. It's $34.99 a month. If you want to get it, you'll receive it to your email every single morning at 11 a.m. And this is literally the only thing. This is the cornerstone. This is literally the cornerstone of my sourcing strategy. So if you want to learn more, just click the link. There's more information on the page. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.